Right, Ramesh?
of Science, I would like to request all the parents present here and all the special guests present here. We are having lined up performances for you all. So be patient and enjoy the performances.
अब मिले तुझे वजूद तेरा इस कदर हो, वजूद तेरा इस कदर हो, रब को भी फख्र हो मुझ पे. On this note, I would like to call Nashifa Kashafat Fatima from 8th standard to give a speech on women empowerment. Give her a huge round of applause.
I am Nashifa Kashafat Fatima from 8th standard. Today I am here to speak about women empowerment. Women empowerment in Urdu means khawaateen ko baikhtiyaar banana. Women empowerment is enabling women with education, employment, safety and equal rights. It aims to make women self-confident, independent and free from any type of discrimination. Furthermore, empowering women leads to development of society and the progress in our country. As we all knew that women are about half of the population in the world, we should celebrate ourselves each and every day. The slogan of women empowerment is empower women, empower the world, equality, there's no gender, strong women, strong world. On this note, I would like to say a quote of Malala Yousafzai, who was a pioneer of women empowerment. She says, I raise up my voice, not so that I can shout, but so that without a voice can be heard. Another example of inspirational women is Kalpana Chawla. I feel she is the true example of bravery, and she was the first Indian woman to go into space. Like her, we are having numerous examples of this field, like Mother Teresa, Jyotirao Phule, Mary Kom, Rosa Parks, Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Fatima Sheikh, Pandita Ramabai, and many more. By listening their outstanding achievement by my mother, my mentor, my well-wishers, I would proudly say, अर्ज करती हूँ, हम माएं, हम बहनें, हम बेटियाँ, ख्वाबों की इज्जत हमसे है. हम माएं, हम बहनें, हम बेटियाँ, ख्वाबों की इज्जत हमसे है. हम ऐनो महरो वफा, हम कश बकश, हम इत्तेखा, तारीख ने खुद लिख दिया, इंसान इबारत हमसे है. A woman who was at home doing all the housework, cooking, cleaning, dusting, washing clothes, taking care of husband, children, in-laws, relatives, unpaid wages for that, which is never ending. But at the same time, if the same woman does all the house chores along with her job, she will get wages for that. For instances, many women officers, doctors, police, teachers are there who are working efficiently in their personal life and professional life and are getting a handsome amount of salary. A girl child is not less than anyone. If she got right time, right opportunity, she will utilize her time and do hard work and make every impossible thing possible. I would like to mention Kiran Bedi, who is a pioneer figure of Indian Police Service. She was the first woman to join RPS. She has set numerous benchmarks in her life career, known for her innovative and bold approach. Sudha Murthy, who is an Indian educator, author, philanthropist, and founder of non-profitable charitable Infosys 2024. She has awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awards for her woman. And behind every successful and empowered woman, there is a progressive man. Either her husband, her brother, her father, her son. And behind my mother, my idol, the progressive man was my father, none other than